Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, July 22, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. Got a ton of calls today.
I feel you. I've got a huge project update to finish.
Oh, sounds like a busy one. Let's chat a bit before we get swamped.
Sure, I've got a few minutes. What's up?
Did you hear about those global trade talks? I caught it on CNN.
Yeah, I did. They're working on new trade rules between countries.
Right. I'm worried it might mess with our product prices.
That's true. It could change costs for a lot of businesses.
Exactly. If prices go up, my sales job gets way harder.
I get it. It might affect our project budgets too.
Man, I hope they figure it out soon. We don't need extra stress.
For sure. These talks are important for companies like ours.
Yeah, it's all about the bottom line. Higher costs mean less profit.
Correct. And it's not just us, it's the whole market.
I just want things to stay stable. Is that too much to ask?
Probably. But let's hope they make good decisions.
Fingers crossed. Hey, on a different note, did you see that tech news?
Which one? I read something on the New York Times.
About this new work app for organizing tasks. Looks pretty neat.
Oh, yes. It's designed to help teams manage their work better.
I need that so bad. My desk is a total mess right now.
I know the feeling. This app might help us stay on top of things.
I hope it's not complicated. I'm not the best with new tech.
Don't worry. They say it's user-friendly. Maybe we'll try it soon.
That'd be awesome. I'm always forgetting deadlines.
Same here sometimes. It could make tracking projects easier.
I'm all for less chaos. My inbox is already a nightmare.
Tell me about it. Technology can be a lifesaver.
Or a headache. Depending on the day, let's see how it goes.
Agreed. I'm curious to see if it really helps with teamwork.
Yeah. Anything to make meetings shorter, I'm in.
Good point. Less time in meetings means more time for work.
Exactly. Oh, and did you hear about that celebrity charity thing?
No, what's that? Fill me in.
I saw it on the Washington Post. A big event for schools and kids.
Oh, that sounds nice. Who's organizing it?
Some famous actor, I think. They're raising money for education.
That's wonderful. Schools really need support these days.
Yeah, it's cool to see someone famous doing good stuff.
It is. It makes me think of my old school days.
Were you the teacher's pet or the class clown?
A little of both, I guess. What about you?
Total class clown. Always getting into trouble.
I can see that. But you turned out fine.
Barely, but yeah. This charity news is a nice change.
For sure. We hear so much bad news all the time.
Right? It's good to know some people care about kids.
Yes, education is so important. It shapes the future.
Totally. Maybe we should do something like that here.
Like what? You mean at the office?
Yeah, maybe a small fundraiser or something. Help out locally.
That's a great idea. We could talk to HR about it.
Cool. Let's think it over. Even small things can help.
Agreed. Every little bit makes a difference.
For sure. Hey, speaking of help, I need help with my coffee addiction.
You and me both. This machine is my best friend.
Same. I'd be lost without my morning cup.
It's the only way to start the day. Keeps me going.
True. Hey, how's your project coming along, by the way?
It's okay. Just a lot of details to sort out. What about your calls?
Oh, they're piling up. Got to convince some tough clients today.
Good luck with that. I know sales can be tricky.
Thanks. I just smile and hope they say yes.
That's a good plan. Keep it simple.
Always. Hey, did you finish that report you mentioned last time?
Not yet, still working on it. Deadlines are tight.
I hear you. I've got a bunch of emails to reply to as well.
Same. Sometimes I feel like I live in my inbox.
Don't we all? It's a never-ending battle.
Too true. But hey, we get through it.
Yeah, one day at a time. Coffee helps, though.
It sure does. I don't know what I'd do without it.
Me neither. Hey, going back to those trade talks, do you think it'll hit us soon?
Hard to say. Maybe in a few months, if things change.
I hope not. I've got enough on my plate.
I know. But we'll adapt, we always do.
True, we're tough. Still, I'd rather avoid the hassle.
Same here. Let's just keep an eye on the news.
Deal. Oh, and about that app, do you think the boss will buy it for us?
Maybe. If we show it saves time, they might.
I'll pitch it then. Anything to look good in front of the boss?
Huh, smart move. I'll back you up if needed.
Thanks, Alex. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Huh, exactly, we're a good team.
For sure. Hey, on the charity thing, maybe we can get others involved too.
Like who? You mean the whole office?
Yeah, why not? Make it a group effort,
That's a nice thought. It could bring us closer.
right? Plus, it's good for the company image.
True. Let's brainstorm some ideas later.
Sounds good. Maybe over lunch one of these days.
Perfect. I'll add it to my calendar.
Cool. Man, time flies when we chat.
It does. I better get back to my desk now.
Yeah, me too. Got to tackle those calls.
All right, see you later, David.
Catch you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, take it easy.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.